Hi everyone, so I ordered the phone bracket from unclewang.net and there was no installation instructions. It's fairly simple, but maybe if you are not familiar with working on your bike, that's going to make your life easier. So you take off the windshield with the 4 bolts, and I have another video how to remove this part, and yeah, check on my channel, and then you remove these little pieces, these pieces from here and the other side, and you have this bracket, you push it in and there, and this bracket comes with these 2 bolts and another type of brackets, how you call these, like this. So you put it on there. See, it's there behind there. So, and this bracket is threaded, so you don't need these things here anymore. This is very sturdy. This is very sturdy. Make sure to fasten these bolts nicely. So I am almost done. I managed to put back one circle clip, but the other one fell behind the dashboard, so I have to remove it and start all over again basically. So when you are putting back that circle clip there on that shaft, make sure to put some protection there behind the dashboard so it cannot fall there. Found the little circle clip, it's there. Now I'm going to attempt to add the circle clips for the second time. Every hole, mostly every hole is covered. So I've finished mounting the unclewang phone bracket, and on it my own phone mount. This is not the final version because that is not an anti-vibration phone mount, but it's strong enough with the metal clip. Most of the phone mounts what you can buy on AliExpress are with plastic clip. It's not good. This is the one with maybe this is from Amazon, and it's a metal aluminum clip, so it fits. I might not always see the speedo, but yeah, I think it's good enough. Maybe I will move the phone holder to the side. I'm also thinking basically this GV or GV airflow is fine, but at slower speeds on the countryside and bad roads, it's especially when it's higher up, it's vibrating. It's not terrible, not vibration, it's shaking basically. So at like 70-90 kilometers per hour, because after that the oncoming wind is stabilizing it, but it's nothing major, but still a bit concerning. So I was thinking I will somehow make a connection. There is a big hole, 20 millimeter hole behind this. Well, actually for me it's 22 millimeters because I screwed up. So that hole, and between this. Oh, by the way, also when you are buying this from unclewang, the standard version is with a steel tube, which is very heavy, unnecessarily strong, I think. So if you pay extra $5, you get the carbon plastic tube, which is, I think, more than enough, because the rest of the foam mount is 3 millimeter steel, so it's very, very sturdy. I think 2.5 millimeter steel or even 2 would have been enough for a normal phone. Obviously, if you are using a big TV screen for navigation, then it's good to have a very sturdy mount. So there should be some clamp, or I don't know, something. Maybe later, maybe after I break my original windshield, I will I will do it. Alright, on the pegs out.